So hello guys, it's been after a very long time. So after a very long time, so we are going to see about the how we can drag and drop between the files between Ubuntu and the our Windows machine. Ubuntu means a virtual machine. This is the file transaction between Ubuntu, sorry, virtualbox machine and the Windows by the drag and drop feature. Right, let's see whether we can do this or not. Right, so I'm using here this text file. I'm going to transfer this into my Ubuntu virtual machine by drag and drop. Let's see what will happen. Right, you can see it's not transferring well. If you see clearly the block icon appearing near the file, that means it will not allow to transfer that file to the Windows from Ubuntu virtual machine. Right, let's see in the reverse way. Right, so here in this machine we are having the test ubuntu.txt file. Right, so let's see whether we can transfer this file or not to the Windows from Ubuntu machine to Windows. Right, so let's drag and drop. Right, yeah, it's not also working like that. Right, it's not. So it's not working here. By default it's not working. Right, so let's see how we can figure out that. So to make any further transaction between, yeah, before that, to make a setting inside of the virtual machine, we should choose the settings option like that. So without rather than that, to make a transaction between the Windows original Windows OS and the virtual machine, you should make the settings through the here on the tab on the navigation bar of this virtual machine. You have to go to settings. Right, okay, so here in the general tab, go to advanced. So here you can see there are two options available here. Right, shared clipboard and the drag and drop feature. Right, so these two features are disabled here. To make this enable on both way, from Windows to virtual machine and the virtual machine to Windows, what you have to do is in the drag and drop feature you have to select the bidirectional here. Right, so another bonus tip for here also. Right, now let's enable the shared clipboard to bidirectional as well. Right, so let's see by making these two options as bidirectional what will happen here. Right, so after selecting these options, click OK here. Right, now let's see whether we can transfer this text file to the virtual machine or not. So I'm going to click and drag this into the virtual machine. Yeah, it was success. Right, so now let's see in the reverse way. Right, we have the test ubuntu.txt file. Let's see whether we can drag and drop this feature, sorry, drag and drop this into the Windows. Let's see then. So I click this one. Now let's drag this into Windows. Yeah, here we got that a new file is appeared here. Right, so another bonus feature here. Right, I like to tell you. So what was that is, so here now let's select, now let's open one of the text files here. Right, let me open this one. Right, let me open this one in the Ubuntu, and let me open the text file in the Windows. Right, so let me revise this one. Right, Now let's see. Now by enabling the both the shared clipboard as the bidirectional feature, where we can see that in the machine settings, and we selected that this advanced feeds in the general advanced tab, and we selected this shared clipboard to also bidirectional, right? So by enabling this feature, what we can do here is we can copy and paste the even text also, right? So let's see this feature works or not, right? So I am having the one text file here and having another text file on the Windows as well. Now let's copy this, right? On the virtual machine, I'm going to copy this text here, right? So let me right click and copy, right? And let me go to the Windows text file, right? Let me try to paste that one, right? So here let's right click and paste. Yeah, that was success, right? Now let's see whether earlier it was work from virtual machine to Windows. Now let's see whether it will work from Windows to virtual machine. Let's see then, right? So let me copy this one, right? Yeah, let me copy this one. This is to be tested in Windows to Ubuntu, right? So let me right click on this and make it copy, and let me go to the Ubuntu text editor, right? Over that, enter. So let's see whether will it get copied or not, right? So right click over this and click paste. Yeah, this feature was success, right? So by enabling these those feature as I above mentioned earlier, we can drag and drop files between Windows to Ubuntu and Ubuntu to Windows, and we can make the text files, right? Sorry, text to copy it from Windows to Ubuntu and Ubuntu to Windows. So I hope you get something from this video, right? So if you like this video, like this and subscribe and share, and thank you very much for watching this. Thank you.